Here's one of the concepts that you need to review for your quiz on Friday. Remember, we have talked about adjectives, and adjectives are used to give a little bit more of a description of the noun. Remember, we have a lot of nouns now, and you have to recycle some of those nouns in addition to adding now descriptive words like adjectives. Example, la chica es. Now you can come up with many different adjectives to describe a chica. Bonita, hermosa, fea. So you can now give me a variety of sentences in addition to recognizing some of the adjectives that we use in class. You also need to review colors because you can describe nouns like mi pluma, my pen, and you can use colors, rojo, verde, and so on. Remember, the one aspect in Spanish that we need to pay attention is that there must be agreement. Remember, we have gender and number. Your adjective should match your noun in gender and number. La chica, feminine. That's why we change this to bonita. But if it's a chico, then we will change this to bonito, hermoso, feo. Now, for a boy, when we're talking about him being handsome, we use guapo. You could describe other items by using hot, caliente. The colors, of course, like green, verde. Remember, gender and number. Here's the list of common adjectives and their forms. For example, to say that something is good. Bueno, buena, buenos, buena. Masculine, feminine, masculine plural, masculine feminine. Malo, mala, malos, malas. Now, you're not going to describe um, someone right now as cold unless you are talking about a personality trait, and as you could say es una persona, so you will have to use the word persona fría. But we can talk about that at a later time. We also describe or use before adverbios that are used to describe verbs or the action words. And we do have a long list of verbs, so make sure that you be checking on those because there will be some in your quiz. So remember estoy, which is an irregular verb. You could say I'm doing well by saying yo estoy bien. Or I'm not doing too well, so yo estoy mal. Okay? So mal is describing the verb, the action. And remember, estar is one of those verbs that is irregular. Here's some of the commonly used adverbs. Bien, mal, rápidamente, usualmente, fácilmente, lentamente. So you notice the suffix mente? A lot of them are using that ending. But I think most of you are comfortable using mal, bien, rápidamente, and usualmente. Okay, hopefully this will help you review one of our grammar concepts, adjetivos, adjectives, and adverbs.